Hello everybody! Today we are going to learn laboratory work number 2. The theme: determination of properties of an operating system, operation with files and directories. On this slide, active vocabulary is presented in 3 languages: English, Russian and Kazakh. Программа, бағдарлама. User, пользователь, пайдаланушы. Operating system, операционная система, операциялық жүйе. Feature, функция. Type, тип, түр. Support, поддержка, қолдау. Graphic engine, графический движок, графикалық қозғалтқыш. Track of files, трек файлы, файлдар жолы. Permit, разрешать, мүмкіндік беру. Memory storage, память для хранения, сақтауға арналған жады. Cache memory, кеш память, кеш жады. Random access memory, оперативная память, жедел жад. Virtual memory, виртуальная память, виртуалды жад. Taskbar, панель задач, тапсырма тақтасы. Desktop, рабочий стол, жұмыс үстелі. Toolbar, панель инструментов, құрал-саймандар тақтасы. Start menu, пуск, бастау мәзірі. Search, поиск, іздеу. Log of process, процесс выхода из системы, жүйеден шығу үрдісі. Shutdown, отключение, өшіру. What is an operating system? Operating system, the most important program that runs on your computer. It manages all other programs on the machine. Every personal computer has to have one to run other applications or programs. It is the first thing loaded. Operating system performs basic tasks such as recognizing input from the keyboard or mouse, sending output to the monitor, keeping track of files and directories on the disk, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk drivers and printers. Is there more than one type of operating system? Generally, there are 4 types based on the type of computer they control and the sort of applications they support. First, single user, single task. This type manages the computer so that one user can effectively do one thing at a time. The second, multi-user, multitask, allows 2 or more users to run programs at the same time. Some operating systems permit hundreds or even thousands of concurrent users. Example, mainframe, Unix, Linux, and Windows operating system. Operating systems manage applications. Operating systems provide a software platform on top of which other application programs can run. The application programs must be written to run on a particular operating system, so your choice of operating system determines what application software you can run. Operating system functions. Besides managing hardware and the software resources on the system, the operating system must manage resource and memory. There are 2 broad tasks to be accomplished. First, each process must have enough memory in which to execute, and it can neither run into the memory space of another process, nor be run into by another process. Cache memory. Cache, a section of a computer's memory which temporarily retains recently accessed data in order to speed up repeated access to the same data. It provides repeat access without having to wait for systems to load. RAM memory, random access memory, is the best known form of computer memory. RAM is considered random access because you can access any memory cell directly if you know the row and column that intersect at that cell. Virtual memory, a method of using hard disk space to provide extra memory. It simulates additional RAM. In Windows, the amount of virtual memory available equals the amount of free random access memory plus the amount of disk space allocated to the swap file. On this slide, you can see your desktop may look like this or like this. Enter commands. Commands can be entered several ways. First, through a keyboard. Second, pointing or clicking on an object with a mouse. Third, sending a command from another program. Parts of the desktop. My computer, my documents, network neighborhood. Bicycle bin, quick launch toolbar, start menu, taskbar, system tray. Windows taskbar. Taskbar shows you the windows of programs that are currently open on the desktop. You can switch between windows by clicking on the applicable button. Each taskbar button represents an open program, a task in progress. Windows Toolbar. Toolbar shows you running programs that were started automatically by the operating system, like antivirus programs, the clock, and the value controls. These programs are running in the background. Start button. The Start button allows you to easily access your computer programs or configuration windows. By default, the Start button is located at the bottom left side of the screen. Windows Start Menu. Start Menu gives you access to all programs and functions on your computer, including help files and search capabilities. Windows System Programs. Windows has a number of internal programs as part of the operating system that help keep you organized and your personal computer health. Here a few: My Computer, Network Neighborhood, My Documents, Recycle Bin. Log off. If you have multiple users on a personal computer with separate profiles or user logons, use the log off process to close out of your profile or to switch users. Shutdown Windows. There is a graceful way of shutting your personal computer that will save your program settings and files. This shutdown process basically puts the operating system to bed. Thank you for your attention. See you next lesson.